తెలంగాణ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లలో సీటెట్ టెట్ డిఆర్సి గురుకుల టీచర్స్ పరీక్షలకు సిద్ధమవుతున్న విద్యార్థులకు వింటర్ హాట్ డేల్. రామయ్య కాంపిటేటివ్ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ మొబైల్ యాప్ ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్లో క్రిస్మస్ న్యూ ఇయర్ స్పెషల్ డబుల్ ధమాకా ఆఫర్. అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ మరియు ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ప్యాకేజీలపై పూర్తిగా 50% తగ్గింపు. ఈ ఆఫర్ 25 డిసెంబర్ 2020 నుండి జనవరి 1, 2021 వరకు మాత్రమే వర్తిస్తుంది. ఈ ఆఫర్ పొందడానికి ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి రామయ్య కాంపిటేటివ్ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ యాప్. ప్లే స్టోర్ మరియు యాప్ స్టోర్లలో లభ్యం. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు సంప్రదించండి 88585900 9246208422 8855555202 8008954448. షరతులు వర్తిస్తాయి.
All of you, very good afternoon. Today we will discuss the CTET syllabus. In the CTET syllabus, CTET, Central Teacher Eligibility Test, this is. Especially today we will going to discuss about the CTET 2 syllabus. What is the syllabus in this CTET? We know the syllabus for CTET 2 is up to 8th standard, and also sometimes examiner frame the questions from the higher level also, means 9th and 10th class syllabus also covered. That is why, so we must prepare the topics up to 10th standard. Especially some topics are there. For example, light chapter is there. Light chapter we have in the 6th class, and also 7th, some topics in 8th and in 10th class also there. That is why we must prepare the topics properly from topic to topic, from lower standard to higher standard. We know the present education system is, one is child-centered education, and another one is subject-centered. So we must provide the knowledge to the child or student. What we provide? Subject. That is why examiner generally asking the questions from lower level to higher level, are basic to application point of view. So that is why we must prepare the syllabus up to 10th standard. Yes, it is the Central Teacher Eligibility Test we know. That is why what are the test books for this? So the reference books for this test, reference books, NCERT test books. NCERT. What is the abbreviation for NCERT? NCERT, that means National Council of Educational, National Council of Educational and Research Training. Yes. So this is the source. So reference books for CTET 2 or for CTET 1 also we must prepare the NCERT test books up to 10th standard. So for physical sciences we have to prepare the textbooks up to NCERT textbooks. Right. Now, in this CTET 2, what are the subjects in this? Especially in science, we are discussing about the science related chapters. That is, one is mathematics, then next one is science. In the science, we have the four topics: botany, zoology, physics, and chemistry. Where botany and zoology, these two topics are called as biological sciences. Biological sciences. Second one is physics and chemistry. This is the physical sciences. Yes. Now, we are discussing about the physical sciences. In this especially today, we will going to discuss about the physics topic. Physics topic. How many questions expecting from this subject in CTET examination, especially CTET 2? We are expecting, as per the previous CTET 2 science and maths question paper, the minimum marks from this area 8, maximum 10 questions asking. That is why the weightage of this physics subject in CTET 2 is 8 to 10 questions. Number of questions in this 8 to 10 questions. So that is why 10 marks, isn't it? 8 to 10 marks expecting from this physics subject in CTET 2. Now, going to discuss about the syllabus in the physics for CTET 2. That is, yes, this is our CTET syllabus. First unit, Unit 1 Mechanics. In mechanics, we have the some subtopics. They are: number 1, motion. Second chapter, force. Third chapter, it is the combination of first and second chapter. That is, force and laws of motion. Fourth one, work, power and energy. Also, we will discuss about the some energy sources. And fifth chapter, pressure. These are all the topics are in the mechanics chapter. Second unit, sound. Another chapter, heat. Next one, natural phenomena. Next, solar system. This is the ninth chapter. Ninth chapter, solar system. 10th one is wind, storms, cyclones, weather and climate changes. Last but one, electricity. And another one is, important one is light. These are the topics for CTET 2. See once again, mechanics. In this we have the motion, force and laws of motion. Fourth one, work, power and energy sources, pressure, sound, heat, natural phenomena, solar system, wind, storm, cyclones, weather, climate, electricity and light. These are the topics in this, we know. Whatever it is, for any chapter or any topic, we must learn to know the basic information or standard information. That is, what is that? Whatever it is, either motion or force or pressure, sound, heat, electricity, light, whatever it is, what is that? What it contains, what its nature, we will discuss the following concepts, that is called as what we call basic information. Second one is applications. Applications are applications of that concerned one. For example, we have the pressure, we have the sound, heat, light. What are the applications in our daily life? This is the basic concept. Try to learn about the basic concept, what it is, how it is defined, examples and applications. Yes. And also sometimes examiner also focusing on the numericals also. Numerical related questions also asking from these topics. So this is the also examiner also asking the numericals. For example, we have the light topic. On this concave lenses, convex mirrors, examiner generally framing the questions. In the sound also some numericals are there. In the motion chapter we have the some numericals. Work, power and energy, we have the some numericals. So we have to remember first one, what is that concept, what are the basics in the topic, examples, if any examples are there, and applications in our daily life, also numericals. On these basis, examiners generally frame the questions. This is our syllabus. Now we will discuss about the what is that concept, how to prepare the topic, how to understand that concept, then we will discuss later very clearly. Going to discuss about the TET syllabus. Here it is very clear about the TET syllabus and SGT syllabus. Both are same. TET 2 second paper and SGT syllabus is common. Generally TET, it is helpful to the students who completed their D.Ed and B.Ed. Especially B.Ed students are eligible to attempt the or to write the TET 2 examination. And also who qualified in the TET 1, they are generally preparing for SGT. So this SGT syllabus is equal to TET 2. That is why it is the common syllabus for the aspirants who are preparing for TET 2 and SGT, also basic level knowledge for school assistant, especially who are preparing for the school assistant science or physical sciences. So what is the syllabus here? Syllabus for TET 2 or SGT is first one, motion. Second one, laws of motion. Third one, floating objects or floating bodies. Fourth one, work and energy. Fifth one, gravitational force, or simply it is called gravitation. Another one is force. Next, friction force. See, friction, gravitation, force, these are all are common topics. So similar concepts. Next one, sound, different one. Light, different chapter. Heat, stars and solar system, natural phenomena and electricity. This is the syllabus for TET 2 and SGT. Right. What are the books to prepare this syllabus? We know very well about this syllabus. We must prepare the textbooks, school textbooks up to 10th standard. In the notification, examiner clearly mentioned that is the syllabus is actually up to 8th, but some lessons are common in the both. What are they? In up to 8th class and as well as 9th and 10th also. That is why the level of questions generally asking up to 10th standard. Yes. In this also similar. First one, definition or basic information regarding that topic. Second one is basic knowledge or basic information, that is one is definition. Another one is generally examiner asking the questions related to examples. Another concept is applications in our daily life and numericals also asking. So this is the pattern or way to ask or frame the questions. And basics, especially here, examiner try to ask the questions regarding the knowledge in the subject, how it is helpful in our daily life. This point of view. In this point of view, examiner generally frame the questions. These are very basic questions and application questions and examples questions and knowledge questions asking. Especially examiner focusing on these four concepts. One is basic information, second one is knowledge, applications, examples. These areas examiner generally try to frame the questions. Now, what are the similarities, similar concepts, similar chapters in for both CTET 2 and TET 2 and SGT? Yes, this is the common syllabus. See, first one mechanics. In the chapter we have motion force. TET 2 SGT also we have the motion. Here also we have the motion. So same. Next chapter is force. Here also we have the force. In the force, different topics are there. Friction and gravitation. These are also common topics in the force. Then next one, force and laws of motion. Yes, we have the laws of motion. Next, work, power and energy is there. Next, work, power and energy. Sound. Next, heat. We have the heat topic. Light. Solar system. Stars and solar system. Natural phenomena. Electricity. Pressure topic is there in this. Where it is here. Pressure concept will discuss in the floating bodies. And these are also we will discuss in this area. So see what you observed in this. So most of the syllabus is common. That is why CTET 2 syllabus is equal to TET 2 and SGT syllabus. So the aspirants, especially English medium students, English medium aspirants who are preparing for TET 2 in the state level examinations, they are also try to attempt the CTET 2 also. If you attempt the TET 2 and as well as CTET 2, it is helpful to write the NVS, KVS, Army Public Schools, etc. Yes, that is why aspirants try to prepare the NCERT textbooks or SCERT textbook. For especially TET SGT syllabus, it is reference books are SCERT. I would like to say one thing here, that is SCERT syllabus and NCERT syllabus, it is common now. It is the common syllabus because of now SCERT take the information completely from the NCERT. Copy paste, simple to say. That is why better to prepare the NCERT textbooks or SCERT textbooks, whatever it is very helpful to us to get the success in the CTET, TET2 and SGT also. So this is our syllabus. Now today we will going to discuss about the one by one topics, that is in that first one is motion.